top stories. Massive anti-bill protest continues unabated despite 144 CIPC clamped by government. MPCC stages sit-in protest against CAB in New Delhi. CAB not tabled in Rajya Sabha, so far House adjourned till 2:36 p.m. Hello, good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news now, the news in detail. Restrictions on the movement of unlawful assembly under Section 144 CRPC has been imposed in twin capital districts of Imphal West and Imphal East from the wee hours of Tuesday by the state government in view of the situation created by the intensified public agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The Manipur government has promulgated the prohibitory order enforcing curfew from 3 a.m. Police order public to stay indoors using loudspeakers on the streets. Security has been tightened in vulnerable areas including Imphal city. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today organized a sit-in protest against CAB at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. The demonstration kicked off at 10:30 a.m. as per reports. CLP leader and former Chief Minister O. Ibobi Singh, PCC President Gai Khangam, MLAs Govindas, Konthozam, T.H. Lokeshwar, T.N. Hokep, K.H. Joykisan, A.K. Mirabai, O. Landhoni and O. Henry were among the state Congress leaders who took part in the protest. It's the penultimate day of the budget session of Parliament. The Lok Sabha, which passed the finance bill on Monday, hopes to pass 3 bills on Tuesday. The Rajya Sabha, on the other hand, hopes to complete the debate on motion of thanks to the President's address. Amid new revelations that anti-corruption clauses in the Rafale deal with France were waived by the government. Official sources have said the audit report of the Controller and Auditor General CAG is likely to be tabled in the Lok Sabha today. Rakesh Sharma, nominated member, raises the issue of pension not being provided to retired teaching staff of Delhi University. Protests surfaced in Rajya Sabha after 40 minutes of smooth functioning. House was adjourned till 2:36 p.m. Women vendors of e-market continue to protest against CAB at the market complex, breaking curfew imposed in Imphal West and Imphal East by the authorities from early hours of Tuesday. The women protesters vote to carry on with the movement until Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is scrapped. The e-market vendors have been observing night halt at the market for the past few days, showing their unrelenting stand. Under the supervision of Manpack, mass agitation against CAB continues to stay at the state. Locals of Kurai blocked the Kurai-Tinsit road today. The protesters burned tires on the road and shouted various slogans in resentment against the bill. On the other hand, In protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, medical students of Jenim staged a sit-in protest in which the protesters were shouting various anti-CAB slogans. Here is a report.
Imphal East ki manung chana leiba Jenims ki boys hostel ki mamang dani hujing medical satra sing yauna ngasidi lamdam asigi miyam kaya amana tholak tuna CAB bill chatnaba yaroi pass to give yaroi highway kholau kaya amada ngasidi mahiroi kya amana medical mahiroi kya amana ju ngasidi khongjang leptana changselei hiram asing matang da medical satra sing jina wafal londa kai leige haibadu mayam punam ta khangminasi
Hello.
Songi ming amta haibiro aduga kai gi damak no khoi medical satra sing ji punna yaurga ngasi changsel leiba khongjang ngasi da kai mot leibi ge ming amta na haibi
ai gi ming Nabachandra Kaisham Jenim Student Association gi president ngasi CAB hariba yamna satiba makal gi bill asi indigenous people da yamna sokma maram oibana akhoi ju indigenous people oijabani na ngasi akhoi gi tungi yumbi oijaraga su tumina laithokpa yaraktaba akhoi gi tungi future da lambi da yam soklakpa maram oibana ngasi akhoi su yaningde masi chana biganu haiba si lengakta uchabani central government nasu masi yaringai di chana bidanaba adagi state government nasu chana bidanaba kanna honabiyu haibasi aigi side tagi appeal tawjak
yamna chumba wafam ne ngasi de medical satra sing yauna lamdam asi tongan tongan ba miyoi sing amadi praja sing kanglup lup kaya amana ngasi de changsel laktuna CAB bill chana yaro habe wafam kaya ma phongdorakle camera person ibo sanagloina na pawdam jariba video journalist Bisorjet Imphal East Jenims.
Apunba Mairapai Bilup of Sagolban Mainolerak also staged a sit-in protest against CAB and Mainolerak today. Demonstrations were holding black flag and shouted anti-CAB slogans during the sit-in protest. Attending the agitation, General Secretary of the Apunba Mairapai Bilup, K.H. Amita, stated various viewpoints regarding the contentious bill.
Akoigi siva kangdana akoi chongthok jagani aduga ngasi Manipur sarkara akoigi hariba bill sigi matangda akoigi police force mayam ama thajandana imai ben mayam amsu asoga pan nangdana satra sati mayam amsu asopan nangdana leiba se masi akoigi yamna akoigi pangdaba haiba tare moral yaudaba akoigi sarkani haiduna akoina hariba khongjang ngasi dai khona khongjang jangsin jari ngasi haiba numeda se sta akoigi hariba CAB bill la se
Central government body.
Came out and blocked the Mayai Lambi stretch at Langthabal Puramakong. The protesters burnt tires and tree branches on the road. Likewise, a large number of people staged anti-CAB agitations in various localities of Langthabal, Mongsangai Mamanglekai and Mongsangai Skulerak. The protesters have put down their views and opinions regarding the CAB.
Bin puthokpagi matang sigumba issue sida akoi khwarman bazar da koi mai bin mayam da dharna tokduna awaba kya khangdana hing tum da gai leiri ma matam sida mathong man khangda ba makhon thok to ba akoi gi tiar gas kya kapsan dana mamit mana sok dana mamin mana tang ba se mamin mana sok dana mamin mana bawda uda ba kaya ma yoksilaba matam sida akoi hojiki ba liba lebak sina kaino sina aso wasang akoi gi mantri mandol hoji hoji oi biriba koi sem mayam sina tumina laithok pai ba se akoi yaning de prime minister na ju asiguma sida khatang thawai yoksin biraga moi gi marakta tinhan akoi gi state government sibu moi gi makhada le heninga ga di moi gi makhada tilaninga ga di moi gi makta tilaninga ga di akoi na haiba su khatang North East ki oina koi Manipur state ki oina koi praja miyam na haiba si su khatang tabi haidina koi prime minister masamakta state ki koi chief minister masamakta koi haijaningi Manipur da CAB putok ba
Adubu akoi sarkar gi maikai degi responsibility pibirak tabsina akoi sukimati akoi gi wakanda akoi gi ngasi pass togani haibagi aki bama laibasina maram oiduna ngasi akoi lekai gi Mairapai bi amadi akoi club sangstan me ampulaga akoi gi lekai sigi oiba pulap pulaka ngasi khonjang sanction jabani adu police mai ama lakna akoi thugaina ba hanjan jala ami adu moi akoi gi mukna badegi moi ayamba hojikti hangre haitare ayamba akoi na hojik पुलिस हंजन लामे कवागी लामे अदगी इम्फाल वेस्ट की करी अयाम सीडी मैम लातना अखोई थुगाइना कन सिलमी अदुबु अखोइना ngamdana मोय अयाम हुजिकी ओइनदी अखोइना ngamna सन खोंजन मखा कन सथजरी
Amid the curfew, the ongoing relay hunger strike staged by Thangmeiban United Club and residents of Thangmeiban still continues today as well. Vice President of the club Pratap Laisangthem, who was participating on the 6th day of the ongoing relay hunger strike, stated that CAB is a big challenge to the natives of the entire Northeast region and the hunger strike will continue until and unless the bill is withdrawn.
6 days. We should really hunger strike. Thai United Club na sinjara kan organize tawra from Germany. And ngasi curfew le ga su ekoi gi tohum to thodang du di ekoi chapchana pangthu kani ekoi sathagani loina na hoji kep ki matang da Rajya Sabha da hoji pass tong na ba honori ba se sigi mayam ta ne lepali Manipur miyam ki dang ta ekoi Thai United Club na chapchana thengana gi ekoi hoji hoji sem sa le le madu kari thulakadu na haibu du di lawtorok matung da mayam khangani.
Extra security measures have been taken up to safeguard the life and properties of MPs and MLAs, considering the ongoing strong agitations by the masses in protest against CAB. Adequate securities like iron grate barricade have been provided to the residents of Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda in Kaisampat, Wahingbamrikai. Similarly, extra security forces have been deployed at the residence of other MLAs and ministers, namely RK Imo of Sagolban Assembly Constituency, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar in Nauremthong, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar's resident in Pisumthong. However, the security provided to the residents of Congress MLAs are less in number than the security personnel provided to BJP MLAs and ministers, sources inform.
CAB gi mayokta lamdum asigi miyamna man pekilising makhada kongyong silak leptri masisu miyamna kongyong essentially adu kongyong kongyong singasida thoni da thonok sing thok tana bida makta security force lokolak ba kongtang amagi oina miyam gi mhut amo riba MP amasung MLA singi mayumda security force na angak senbi thabak essentially hoji isu ekoi gi mang leibi riba famase ekoi gi Rajya Sabha gi MP oriba ekoi gi case bawan na singagi sangai ne ma ke mayum sida hoji akanba security force na angak pi thabak sathari.
Torch rally were taken out last night in different parts of the state, voicing opposition to CAB. Women vendors of Bisnupur Bazaar carried out torch rally in Bisnupur Bazaar area and also observed a night halt at the market site. Thoubal Bazaar and Thoubal Kiam Sifai also witnessed torch rally. Locals of Mayang Imphal held torch rally apart from trying to storm the private residence of MLA Robindro. Police fired tear gas shells to disperse them. Peoples also staged torch rally at Kaisampa Junction and Kaisamthong. Singzamai Keitel vendors and street vendors last night staged anti-bill protest while shouting slogans. They observed a night hold at the market site.
For the CAB bill, long lead, Manipur the CAB bill, long lead, Manipur the CAB bill, long lead, Manipur.
Aigi motadi, hausi asopan mayam ama yauna raba matam sida, masidaida amana ama hunna bagi mahuta. Haibadi hana panbiramba anga mathau sing nasu, adagi hausi panbiriba anga mathau sing na punjalaga. Bill asibu pass tawbidanaba habedi masigi mayokta prajagi ihul khangna thabak to tahonjaning masika haizaraga lore
lairiba lekai asigi anakpada kathel asigi anakpada lairiba ima ibel singa loinana sinjariba 2016 gi MML bill hariba bill asibu aikogi Manipur da chanaba yaroi haiduna akanba khongjang changjali loina na ngasai ayuk pung manga dagi hauna akoina hariba bill asibu chanadana bagi damakta aikoi akanba bannung singbana kaya ama tawdana lai loina na madugi makha tarakpo aina akoina ahing yareptana ngasi aikoina awa ana puna magse khangdana lairi ngasi paliba sarkar asina hariba makogi bill asibu pass tawhangiba tarabadi aikoina तौदनबसो अखोइन हाजे तौबिगनु लोइनना अखोइ हारिबा बिल असिबु पास तौगनी हारिबा तारगदि अखोइना छिबा चंग खंगदना अखोइना हारिबा खोंजंगसिगी मायोक्ता अखोइना थवाइ हक्चांग यावना लोइनम कथोक्तना अखोइ अकीबा लैतना अखोइ हारिबा बिल असिदा पास तौदनबगी दमक्ता अखोइना ngasiगी अकन खोंजंग असि जंगजनजरी इमालायबा.
People in border town of More also held anti-bill protests in support of man-pack spread heading the bill agitation. The town witnessed a shutdown due to the demonstration. People also protested near More SBI office condemning CAB. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Massive anti-bill protest continues unabated despite 144 CIPC clamped by government. MPCC staged sit-in protest against CAB in New Delhi. CAB not table in Rajya Sabha so far, House adjourned till 2:36 p.m. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.